Hi, this is a demonstration of Histree, a Jupyter Lab extension that automatically tracks the history of your data science experimentation as an interactive tree. As you can see, every time we make a change in our Jupyter notebook, like adding or executing a cell, a new node is added to the history tree on the left. We can hover over each node, which shows us a small summary of what happened in each change. Clicking on a node will bring us back to the version at the point in time where the node was created. This enables us to freely explore the history of our notebook. But we can also make changes while we are in a past version of our notebook. Doing so creates a branch in the history tree, which then acts like a separate timeline. We can use this for organizing all the different approaches that we'd like to try out as different branches. For example, we'd like to perform a regression for predicting the prices of houses in this dataset. So we select some features, write the code for a suitable model, train it, and see what the results are. In this case, our error is sitting at just over $56,000, which does leave some room for improvement, to put it mildly. Let's see if we can try another approach, maybe with a different model and some different features. Instead of cluttering our notebook by adding more and more code to it with further ideas and implementations, we can use Histree to go back in time and implement our new approach here, going off of a past version. Our new approach now sits in a new separate branch. Using a random forest and a more suitable feature set, we have achieved much better results. We can compare this easily by switching back and forth between the two branches. Histree also comes with a few more convenience features that are designed to help you to comprehend the history of your notebook. For example, you can add bookmarks to nodes that mark an important point in time that you may want to return to later. You can also collapse parts of the tree that are not important to you at the moment. Lastly, there's the relevant node highlighting feature, which you can activate by clicking on this button at the top. Now, every node which had an effect on the cell that is currently selected in the notebook will be highlighted with an orange glow. For example, when we click on the cell where we set the features variable, a couple of nodes are highlighted in the tree. First, the node which added the cell, then where we first executed it with our first feature set, and then a few more times where we ran it with some other feature sets. This can help us more easily find specific versions within the tree where we know that we changed a particular cell, just by simply clicking on that cell and going through the highlighted nodes. If you'd like to try Histree out for yourself, go to the repository linked in the video description and follow the installation guide in the README file.